All right, we got that done. Now we need to clean the inside of the handle. We're gonna get some more wipes. All right, I'm gonna put some more of this cleaner on it. All right, and we're gonna clean the inside of the handle of the gunpowder. It just looked like it was some gunpowder inside of the handle, so I want to get that out. Easier for the magazine to slide in and out. Okay. All right, so we got the handle clean. Yeah, see, it's a lot of gunpowder in there. We're just cleaning all the trigger mechanisms and everything. Just wiping it down while it's still in it right now. I'm having to pull the trigger mechanism out, but been really into guns lately.